Deja. 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 Get my ball. You gonna put it back on the table?
Yeah.
What about my other balls?
Huh?
Get my other balls.
Oh.
Put them back on the table. Are you gonna get up on the table? Go ahead, get on the table. How do you get on the table? You little sneaky devil. Oh, you little evil Knievel. How you get on there? Give me the pull stick. Don't put that on your lips. That's not lipstick. You gonna do what? Brush your hair. Brush it. Oh, you're gonna mess your hair up. What are you doing? No, you can't play with that. Get your balls. Get the balls out of the hole.
Huh?
Get the balls out of the hole.
Huh? Mommy, go. I got one that way. I got up here. I got up here.
How you get up there? You better not put. That's not lipstick.
Don't put it on your face. Okay.
You already did. No, give me the.
What?
Can't smoke that right now. No! Stop putting on your lips.
I'll give it down. You get it down? I'll give it down.
Now what are you gonna do?
I can go outside.
You going back inside?
Yeah.
Hey, I love you.
Love you.
Bye bye.
I'm gonna go outside.
I love you.
Bye. And oh, Peter. And you, oh, this bar.
Yeah, it's Christmas bar. You tell everybody Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Yay!
Oh, this bar, that's Peter.
Your computer?
Yeah, I'm gonna pee. Okay.
Who you talking to? You sent the email? Hey, say bye-bye.
Bye.